this cruiser out. Wow, 1964 Buick LeSabre. And check it out, 4-door hardtop. How cool is that? Of course, the hardtop, no post in between the front and second door where the window area would be. 300 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. We're going to pop the hood, check out underneath there here before the video's over. Let's hear it run, take a look at it. But first, let's take a look at this front grille, headlight surrounds, bumper. Now, this is believed to be an original mile car, little over 30,000 on it. We're going to check out the odometer. I'm going to show you some things as far as the interior. Take a look at them. That leads me to believe this sure could be a low mile car like that, and it drives out and goes down the road nicely. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, check that out. Interior, trunk, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This will be Claret Mist and Arctic White LC paint code. Now, you are going to see some imperfections here and there where it's been touched up, a few rock chips, which tells me that this paint has been on here for a while. It does show its age a little bit. Kind of really leads to that originality of this car. And wait till you see the interior. Now, let's take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. And the other thing is, this was a Kansas City built car, spent most of its life in Montana, which if you take a look around these wheel wells, as you can see, you don't notice bubbling from behind coming through, rusting, corrosion, anything like that. Yeah, you may have a few imperfections here and there, but overall, look at that rear wheel well. It doesn't appear to be a thick car, bunch of filler, anything like that. I mean, just get down on that dog leg and look at that right there. How many times you see these in that kind of shape? And then take a look at this interior, which does appear to be original 64 LeSabre interior, which would be a 417 trim code, which is maroon interior. And then take a look at the dash and everything else. Appears to be all stock. We're going to get around to that driver's side, check out the condition of that steering wheel, show you some more things in there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle, may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper. Chrome on it, not aging, not peeling. There's where we believe it was sold new. Still the original dealer placard, and no, this isn't one of those plastic stickers or anything like that. That is metal. And again, you're going to see imperfections or some things that show a little age in the paint, but again, overall it shows well. Imagine this one taking the family out, good old cruise, just going to your local shows, local roll-ins. What a great car to go down the road in. All right, some recent service work done to this too. New U-joints, front brakes and wheel cylinders, new exhaust components were put on it. Take a look at the underside picture, be able to see, and then look at the pans, look at the rest of the underside of this car. Seriously, trunk also, how original that looks as far as the liner, what have you. Also has new belts on it. So turn the key, get in this thing and go. Once again, to see those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And again, take a look around these wheel wells. Again, you just do not see bubbling, signs of previous work. Writing on the Buick wheel covers, white wall radial tires. Won't be afraid to take this to any local shows, local roll-ins. And again, a couple touch-ups up here. And then look at this interior. Appears seat belts were added. Don't believe that was an accessory included in this particular car in 64. Look at those seats. A little bit of wear way down on the bottom of this one. But again, that's what leads me to believe as far as originality of this car, which could fall back on those original miles easily. Take a look at the door jambs, how nice a shape it is down here. They're not rusting out. In the still pictures, you'll be able to look at the bottoms of the doors, so you can condition those are on. And then look at the condition of the steering wheel. How many times do you see those cracked? This car just does not appear like it has many miles on it. There's the exact miles. What the odometer states, again, believed to be original, 38,553. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Now listen how easy this 300 starts underneath the hood. Obviously your fuel gauge just went up, so that is working. Oil light. Now let's turn it on. See how easily that started, or can you hear it run? It is running. Right here, speed warning. Set it where you want it. Speedometer needle gets that. It's going to warn you you're going too fast. Blower fan works. Headlights and high and low beam both work. Check this out. Original radio. Radio works, and it will also fade the speaker front to rear. Windshield wipers work. Take a look at this dash. Condition of this thing's amazing. Headliner, obviously. Wow. Nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back. It's going to sound just like you'd expect this car to sound when it rolled off the showroom floor back in 1964. Imagine being in the driveway when Dad rolled in after picking this car up. How cool. Maybe it was Grandpa and Grandma coming over for Sunday dinner. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up the video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood popped. Check out the underside of the hood. And then, of course, there it is, 300 cubic inch Buick V8. Now, if you take a look at that engine closely, you're going to see on the air cleaner cover 355 Wildcat. Of course, that was the torque rating. This engine was known as Wildcat 355. That was not cubic displacement. So 300 cubic inch V8, Wildcat 355 pound-feet of torque. And then, of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the screen in front of the radiator to keep the bugs out, crud out, so it will cool better and easier, and then you can clean that screen off, put it back on. That tells you this has been adult owned and driven, well taken care of. Wow, what a cruiser. 1964 Buick LeSabre 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.